Hey, what's going on, YouTube family and friends? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to garden in a heat wave. That's right, it is pretty hot. We want to make sure that we're doing what we need to in the summertime so that we can stay healthy. I know that a lot of us, we are concerned about our gardens, of course, making sure that we keep our plants healthy, but we got to take some time to make sure that we keep ourselves, the gardener, in healthy condition as well, so that we can keep doing this for years to come. All right, so first thing, in the summer heat, what you want to do, if you can, you want to make sure that you come out as early as possible so that you can limit your time in this massive heat wave that we're having. So morning is great. It still will be kind of warm, but this will be the coolest part of the day. Or if you have to go to work, then after you get off work, probably want to wait a couple hours, whatever time that may be, then come out as the sun goes down. That will also be the coolest time of the day. In the heat of the day, I try to avoid. Sometimes when I start in the morning, I get carried away. I keep going through. Then I may get in some of that summer heat, but I want to make sure that those are my times that I'm trying to get most of my garden work done. All right, number two, you want to make sure that you stay hydrated. That's right, have your water can with you. Now for me, what I normally do, I have my cup of water, ice water that is, on my table. And so time I open that door, some of that ice is melting, but then I go ahead and basically drink the whole cup. I fill it back up, do the same thing. So you want to make sure that you get enough liquids, because when you come outside in this summer heat, you're going to be sweating a lot, and we got to make sure that we replace the fluids, because that sweat is no joke. And it's good to sweat to make sure that you know that your body is cooling itself down, but you got to replenish your fluids. So make sure you're not caught off guard and you're working through, and then you may faint, fall out. We're not trying to do any of that. So make sure you are consistently putting in fluids. All right, tip number three, you want to make sure that you dress for the occasion. That's right, you want to make sure that you have your arms covered. And this material that I have on, it also has a hood. I love these things. My wife, she bought me these shirts because I use these not only when I'm outside in the garden, but I also fish. And I have a lot of these. You probably think, oh, he only wear the same color. I have about 4 or 5 of these shirts that are the same color, and I got the gray ones too. So this is gonna block the sun rays, because we don't want skin cancer as well. And this material is nice and breathable, so when that nice breeze come through, ooh, you can feel it. All right, so that's why I love it on the water. I fish competitively, so I gotta make sure that I feel good when I'm fishing, and also when I'm out in the yard doing my work in the garden. I want to make sure I feel as best I can. All right, so that's why you don't see me wearing dark clothing, because I don't want to bake out here. All right, so this material is good. So if you haven't had this before, I'll put a link in the description once I find out where my wife gets it from. I believe she got them off Amazon. So, and they're affordable too. So that's why I have a lot of them. And yes, I have a lot of them the same color. I'm a Tar Heel, so I like that light blue. All right, moving right along for tip number 4. Now this is not a necessity, but it is for me. All right, so my wife also, she bought me this fan. She said, hey, you gonna be out there in that hot heat, and she got this when I was fishing, but we was like, hey, you can use this for gardening too. So this button on the side, you can adjust when you cut it on. It's a fan. You put it around like this, and you can feel it on the sides of your neck, and you can adjust the speeds. So if I go all the way up to the max level, it's not gonna last as long. So that's why I don't put it there. I need to get another one, so when I want to put it up, I can have it and exchange it and charge it up. All right, so this is another good option. It keeps your neck area nice and cool. So you may want to consider using some of the gadgets that they have out there. This one is a good one. I had it for 2 years now, so I'm gonna continue to use it, especially when I'm fishing. Now when I'm competitively fishing, I don't bring it because I have a lot of other things that I have to pack with me, but this right here is great to have. All right. Ooh, let me cut that off. It's cutting grass. I forgot I ain't cut it off. You know what? I'm gonna leave this on here. Excuse me. All right. The last tip is you need to, I believe that's tip number 5, know your body. All right, so, and listen to your body. If you feeling that your body's being stressed out, don't say, oh, I gotta keep doing my garden work. No, you need to stop, take it inside, rest, cool down, and then you come back for another day. Don't keep trying to go and go. And I know I could do a lot of things when I'm younger. Even if you're young, I wouldn't chance it because we only got one life. So make sure you take care of it, because if something happens where you're out for a long time, or if that's it, then you won't be able to enjoy coming to the garden anyway. So you might as well take care of yourself first, and then come back and take care of your garden. So let's just keep that mindset, because gardening is awesome to do, and I want you to be around for a long time so that you can do this fun activity, relaxing activity. All right, but in the summertime it could be very stressful on your body, so make sure you take care of you first. All right, these are my tips. If you have any other tips that I have not went over, some tips that you have, put it down in the comments so that I can learn and everybody else watching this channel can learn. And make sure you share this video so that others will know. Make sure you take care of you so that you can take care of your garden. All right, take care. Bye.